how to fix Instagram login issues. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can fix Instagram login issue. So if you're experiencing Instagram login issues, don't worry, I've got you covered. The first thing you should do is to check your login credentials. So make sure you're using the correct email, phone number and password whenever you want to log in. Alright, so for example, while trying to log in into my Instagram account, the first step that I will do is to launch the application. And so for me, I already have my account saved up on my Instagram, as you can see here. But for you, if you want to log in, like I said, just ensure you check your login credentials by clicking on login into another account. Check username, ensure that it is the correct username, ensure that it's the correct password and all of that. And then once you're done, click on login, and I'm sure that it will be logged in. But if peradventure you forgot your password, just click on forgot password, and a link on how you can reset it will be sent to you. So that's one way. Another thing that you can do is by verifying your phone number and email address. Or before you can verify your phone number and email address, you have to ensure that you've logged in already. So that should come later. So another thing that you can try is to restart the application or your phone. Yes, sometimes app glitches can be resolved by restarting your phone. Close the Instagram application completely and reopen it. If the problem persists, restart your phone. And then another thing that you should do is to also check out your the Instagram application cache and storage. And how do you do so? By going to your settings. All right, and then once you're in your settings page, scroll down and select app management, and so select app list, and then click on the search box and type out Instagram so that you can be directed to the app instantly. So Instagram, then wait for the app to be displayed. Then once the app has been displayed, select it. On this page, select storage and cache. Then you can see cache. Just go ahead, scroll down and click on clear cache, and then restart the application. And now definitely you should be able to log in into your Instagram account. So these are the various ways you can try. These are the various things you can try to fix your Instagram login issues. So you have to remember that to be patient, and then keep your account secure by using strong password and by staying vigilant. Thanks for watching and have a good day.